What's up YouTube, it's Wolfman3663 and today I got a different video for you. Today I picked up my Super Dragon Ball Heroes World Mission that I had pre-ordered from GameStop, and we're going to take a look at what's inside. Right now I'm sitting in my car. I don't have my tripod with me, so I'm going to have to do everything one-handed. We get a pack of Dragon Ball Super cards with it. You get the 11 early character cards unlocked, and there's the game cartridge. Let's get to this first. It's like kind of hard to open a pack with just one hand. Right, here we go. Oh. First we have this little Super Dragon Ball Heroes pack. It says 5 cards per pack, 5 cards in total, 2 promo rares. And I just dropped one of the cards, so I'll pick that up in a moment. We got Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta Critical Combination. Another Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta combination. Okay, there's 4 of them right here. And let's see the one that just fell down. We have Super Saiyan Gogeta, a leader card on the reverse side. Super Saiyan Blue Gogeta Fusion Transcendent. I apologize for the bad camera angles in this video. But if you enjoyed the video anyway, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Adios.